Perfectly straight board joints. Sounds easy, right? Yeah, until you end up with a gap wide enough to park a pencil in. When I started woodworking, I struggled with this all the time, and it took me a while to figure it out. But today, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. So, here's the first method. I had these two boards with a friendship gap between them. So I grabbed a couple scraps of plywood, added some double-sided tape, and stuck them on top. Boom! Instant partnership. Now, send both of them through the table saw right along the seam. And when you peel off the plywood, it's like woodworking therapy. The boards fit together tighter than my weekend schedule. Option 2, the planar paradox. You mark one board with an I for inside and the other with an O for outside. Why? Because even if your planar fence isn't perfectly 90 degrees, these two angles will cancel each other out like my gym plans after pizza night. Run both boards through, and just like that, perfection. Straight, smooth, and ready for glue up. Option 3, clamp your boards together and use a hand planer to level them at once. It's not the fastest, but hey, it does make you feel like you earned that coffee break. So yeah, between these three, the first two are my go-tos for accuracy. Which one would you try first? The lazy genius, the planar paradox, or the workout plan? Drop it in the comments, and if you enjoy real builds, real results, and bad jokes, hit subscribe. There's always more sawdust where that came from.